Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Hope you have a great holiday last year during Christmas to spend with your loved one, your family members, or any of your friends, wherever you are. Have a great time and a great break during that time. I had mine and I'm so thankful for that I managed to celebrate with my family members, that they came to my house for a small little dinner and get together. And this is my first video, unboxing video, and I'm so glad that I managed to get the item that I want. This is one of it in my wish list, although I have not done any wish list video. I do intend to do it, but let me see how it goes, whether I can have the wish list video up sooner, or how it goes, or I may just go as long as I get my wish list and share with you guys. As you can see here, I have Cartier and this brand here, Mirror. Let me share with you, this is not the unboxing of Cartier. Let me share with you my thought process of this. As you can remember, I have this Cartier necklace. Let me open up and show you this Cartier necklace last year, and which is my best purchase for 2021. I have a video for this, and I'll link it up above if you missed the video for this best purchase for 2021 and my so purchase. And okay, this is the necklace that I stored here. Actually, they come in a box like this, but I stored here. And this is the necklace that I have from Cartier last year that I won a lot. This is the diamond necklace in small size. The diamonds is in small size. They have three sizes: extra small, small, and the slightly bigger one. But I chose the small one, and I actually am looking for a earring to match this. I know Cartier do have the earring, and I did search their website. They have that, but the price is slightly more than what I wanted to pay for. Of course, this is Cartier, so therefore I actually searched for another earring, because earring is from far is even more difficult to see, to put it that way. Even necklace as well is so small, the diamond is so small. So anyway, I managed to find one from the local jewelry instead of Cartier. Although the style is not exactly the same, but it is very similar, that I have diamond on it, and it is, and also it's rose gold, but then this is gold, but from far actually the rose gold and the yellow gold, it is not very obvious, I would say. Yeah, because since the diamonds is very small, and it is not that obvious. So for Cartier, I actually checked the price in the website. For Cartier, it is about 1,000 something for Cartier diamond earring, which is similar to this, but it's known as Diamond Daggers earring extra small. And actually there's 18K yellow gold, and they put there 750 or 1,000. I'm not sure what is that in the website that I'm reading from. And actually the diamond is the diamond is 0.08 carat for that. And the motif, of course, the thing is 3.78 mm, and thickness is 2.12 mm. That is for the diamond earring, which is same as this. But in fact, this is that one is extra small. This is small. That is extra small. I believe that if it's extra small, it's even more smaller than this, because this is already very small. See, and extra small is even smaller than this. Unless I want a big one, of course, it's even more expensive. But I managed to find one from a local jewelry, and this brand, brand Diamond of Lights. And let me open up and show you. This is the unboxing. I have already unboxed it and check it, and this is just to check it. I mean, in the store she showed me already, in fact. Then he packed it for me, and this is the box. Let me put this aside. This is the box that come with it, nicely packed. And actually, in fact, he actually gave me one of these as well. This is the diamond inscription magnifier. I'm not too sure actually how it works, but then he showed me how it works. This is the magnifier for the diamond, to see the arrows. They mentioned that is inside there. This is what that they show it, the arrows and all these things. This is what he gave me, the free gift that comes with this. And let me show you afterwards later how they actually view it through this magnifying glass. This is the under Lumiere, Lee Lumiere is jewelry. This jewelry is from Hong Kong, Lee Lumiere, and they carry this brand, so they do have this certificate as well, this certificate for this earring. And I like the box. Open up. Okay, this is the box that comes with it, and the box is quite similar to Cartier, which is drop down. Let me open up and take up the box, show you. And are you ready, guys? And I like this box. They have the light, and the light is here, so cute. And they have the light that comes with it inside the box. So this is the earring that I have. Let me take it out and show it to you. Here's the box, and this, here you go. This is the one. Okay, let me just focus. It's not very big, it's actually quite small, but okay, the size, the size for this, I have this here in this is the certificate that comes with it. This is the certificate comes with it. This is the certificate comes with it. They have the size and all these things here. Okay, let me just read out to you. This is the certificate of it there. Let me just show you. This is the certificate of authenticity for this one, and this is the arrow talking about that I can see through the, just focus. This is the arrow that I can see through the scope, to the magnifying glass. Afterwards I show you. And this is the earring that, and this is the earring. Let me just focus. Yeah. This is earring. Okay, the weight actually of this is 0.11. It's very small, it's not very big. And as compared to the Cartier one, the weight is actually the Cartier one is 0.08 carat. This is 0.11, which is slightly bigger. This is the slightly bigger one. So, and the clarity is VVS. Here the clarity here is written here. The clarity is VVS, and the color of this is D color. And these are the information actually for this one, setting and all these things. Polish is excellent. I would like to match it with this necklace that I have. I would like to match it with this. It's not exactly the same as I said, but then it doesn't matter. It is still diamond. It is still diamond anyway. So this is about the same size, looks like it now. If I were to get a bigger size from this, the earring from Cartier, it will even cost me more. But this one is not to say this is very, very cheap, but then again it's still a diamond price anyway. But then again, compared to Cartier price, obviously there are quite a lot of difference in the price. So, but in fact, if I were to get Cartier, this will be even smaller than, very, very small, will be very, else this one is comparatively similar size to this. As you can see, this is, let me just focus. Yeah, this is comparably similar size to this necklace. So it kind of like a matchy kind of thing. And although this is yellow gold and this is rose gold, but actually from far, put it that way, the earring from this, since this design is like this, it is not that obvious, you know, if it match with yellow gold and rose gold. But I don't mind a slight mix, or even, you know, mixing some metals. But then again, this is it. So okay, let me just show you how actually they use the magnifying glass to look at it. Actually, let me show you using this to look at this Cartier one first. Let me just show you how the Cartier one look like. In this, I'm not sure whether the camera can show it. Let me show you. Easier to put a dark color background on it to actually look from the magnifying glass. Yeah, there you go. Can you see? Okay, there you go. This is it. It's inside. You can see the 8 arrows. Okay. The camera is not that focusing, but still, this is how they look at it actually. Okay, let me show you the earring one that I have. The earring one is this. You can see it is quite bright. Can you see? Wow, that is bigger and brighter. If you can see the 8 arrows, This is from the top. The view is from the top actually, because it is already set in, so that we can't see the bottom part of it. This is just the top part of it that actually we can see from here. Then this is the 8 arrows. Let me just try to focus again. Yeah, okay, here it goes. That's the best I can do. Okay, this is the one. See, this is how they actually look from the magnifying diamond magnifying glass. Yeah, but although it is not very, we don't see it like that from far, we can just see that it's shiny. So I'm so glad that I got this, and slightly cheaper of course than Cartier. And I got this it's even cheaper than the extra small size on the Cartier's website, and the diamond is same size as this. If I were to get this from Cartier this size, it will be double the price, in fact, of the extra small. I got this free gift, this to check the diamond. Not that I'm expert in checking all this, but it's just a very nice gift as well, to actually see for myself, the diamond that I have, how is it like, and all these things, that I will wear it more. I wear this necklace a lot, so therefore I want to look for a matching earring. Therefore I will, and this is what I found. I'm so glad that I found this, and was like thinking, because I wanted to go to Cartier actually yesterday, but the queue was, oh my god, so long. During the weekend, the queue is so long, so therefore I was like, okay, just let me think about it again. Anyway, I'm not sure whether my SA is in or not also, so I don't wait in a queue for so long. I think so they may have been waited for an hour or so. So in fact, even I'm in the queue, I'm not sure I want to purchase the Cartier one or not, because I'm still thinking. So I went and actually just try my luck and see if I can find anything from the local jewelry, and which I got. I'm so happy. And from this Numero, the actually the local jewelry name is not Numero, but then they carry this brand. And I checked, this diamond is actually in Hong Kong, started in Hong Kong. Actually, they have this certification. I'm glad they have this certification, and once they have this certification, and they are also well-known jewelry in the country here, they have this certification, and certified by this GIA, which is the arrow that just now that I mentioned, that you can see is this one. Wish you all the best for this new year, and thank you very much for watching, and I see you again. Bye.